The automatic voltage regulator, or AVR, is a hardware device designed to maintain a constant voltage level for electrical equipment. By keeping the voltage stable, it prevents fluctuations that could hinder performance and protects sensitive equipment from power surges and spikes. An AVR is a sophisticated electronic device primarily focused on voltage regulation. It controls output voltage to ensure a steady supply regardless of load changes. This makes it essential for generators and large-scale power systems to maintain equipment health and efficiency. Voltage control is crucial because both overvoltage and low voltage can damage devices or reduce performance. Excessive voltage leads to overheating and hardware failure, while insufficient power causes equipment to run inefficiently. Stable voltage ensures longevity, reliability, and peak operating efficiency. The AVR operates in 3 steps. First, it measures the output voltage. Next, it compares this measurement with a set value to determine the required adjustment. Finally, it adjusts the generator's excitation to bring the output voltage back to the nominal level, ensuring continuous stability. The main components of an AVR include the voltage sensor, which continuously monitors output voltage. The controller circuit processes this data and generates a corrective control signal. Finally, the exciter system adjusts the generator's field current to stabilize the output voltage based on the signal. AVRs have broad applications, including generators in power plants, where stable voltage is critical for consistent output. They are also vital for industrial machines and uninterruptible power supply systems to protect sensitive operations from voltage variations. The benefits of using an AVR are significant. It provides stable power, ensuring a consistent flow of electricity. It protects equipment from voltage fluctuations and improves efficiency by optimizing performance and reducing energy waste. In generators, the AVR is essential. It maintains a consistent output voltage and automatically handles load changes, preventing brownouts or surges. Ultimately, it ensures smooth operation and optimizes the generator's mechanical and electrical synergy for long-term reliability. While AVRs are beneficial, there are challenges. These include the high initial investment cost for advanced systems and the complexity, which requires specialized knowledge for installation and calibration. Regular maintenance is also necessary to ensure long-term operational accuracy. In conclusion, the AVR is an essential component for modern power management. It ensures stability by maintaining a steady output, protecting infrastructure from spikes, and improving system life by reducing wear and tear on electrical components.